Good morning from Graham Family Farm. Today is March 18th, 2025, and it's about 9:30 or so. And I think it's about 39 degrees. And we have some blue in the sky, some clouds. It's not looking too bad though. Gonna head down and feed these animals and top off their waters. Sleepy pigs here. Edith running back and forth. Oh yeah, food. And Harold too. Well, that's not good. The hose is froze. Yeah, it's okay. I gotta feed first anyway. Just noticed it wasn't running. Molly's wanting grain. You gotta wait till later for grain. Eat that hay. Happy pigs. Yeah, these pigs really get into their meals. All right, let's see if Bella had any babies yet. No babies in there. What's going on here? I'll give you hay in a minute, girls. Yep. Yeah, I hear you. Okay, I see the doodle move my hose. You playing with that hose again? At least it's running now. All right, everyone's watered. Everyone's fed. Edith wants something special. What a needy pig. Yeah, you too. Everybody wants some rain. That wind is cold. Well, that's it for me down here. I'm going to warm up, shut the water off, and I'll be back down here a little bit later. And checking underwaters again, give them some grain. Yeah, it's that time of year where we have ice in the hose. They're always playing with a stick. They'd have to stop in front of me. All right, we'll get warm now.